What? Dude, what the heck?
During the day. We gotta bring Johnny.
Dude.
This place is like, it has fucking goodness. This shit's insane.
Dude.
Oh my god, look at this. This place
What the frick?
There's no shit in here. We gotta go upstairs. I gotta go up those stairs.
You have to.
That's the main priority right now. Fuck all this other shit.
Yeah, fuck it. Let's explore this first, and then we'll... Because I don't want that car to show up and someone says, what the hell? Where's that, at the front?
That's the back.
Oh, like, is that going in the other rooms?
No, it's back. It's the back door.
Oh, okay. Dude, look behind you. Dude, this is nice.
Oh,
Did you fart?
no, it just stinks in here.
No.
We gotta come back here during the day.
Yeah, let's look around real quick.
Hang on, we gotta call Johnny and get it. Fucking tell his dumbass.
Dude, this is nice.
Hang on, we gotta.
Is my GoPro recording up here?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay.
Well, we gotta come back here like later on in the week.
Yeah, we have
And
to.
just come here and explore. This place is awesome.
Dude.
It's fucking. I gotta call him.
Yeah, this was recently abandoned. Well, not recent, but like...
This shit is fucking. I gotta call Johnny. This is sick.
Dude, this is like living in the early 2000s, honestly.
This is fucking.
It's untouched.
If he fucking answers, because he's on a phone call with Micah.
He ain't gonna. Wait, let's send him a picture. He'll answer when we do this. Watch.
He's not fucking answering.
Wait, stay there. I'm gonna take a picture. What's over here? It's another closet. Okay. Wait.
We didn't realize how we were gonna call Johnny back, did we?
No. Golf bank. Here's a notebook.
This is like the older people live at.
Yeah. There's probably secret. Hey, look for the secret basement.
There's a basement?
Yeah, look and see if there is.
Yeah, wait.
I know, that's what I was saying.
There was something here. Oh, never mind. That's not a basement.
Oh.
There might be, though.
Might be.
That'd be so creepy. We walk in here with like a fucking basement or something. Check the ceiling and the floors.
I'm looking. There's an attic here somewhere. Dude, look at this. Jesus. Yeah, be careful walking in here. It's starting to fall in, but... Dude, like, look at this. Look. Everything's untouched. This is gonna be a good video.
That's why we gotta come back here, right?
Hold it, let's look a little more, I mean. Shit. Imagine the people who used to live here, puzzles, all this stuff. TVs. Man. Hey, where you at? You outside? You outside? Oh, you're in there. There's gotta be an attic.
I think the attic would be upstairs.
Yeah. Hey, turn off your light. What's out? Is that just the front? Yeah.
That's a car.
Yeah, I know. Is he just sitting there? A car right there?
I don't know. We gotta get out of here.
What's that? Hold on, let me look real quick. It's a generator. What? Why is there a generator? Okay, here's the plan. Let's get out of here. Check and see if that's a car or something. And if it's not, then let's just go ahead and... That's Johnny. Is that a generator? Why is it a generator? I guess it's just on for purpose. I'm guessing they're gonna do some construction or something soon. Yeah, true.
No, I don't think there's a tank.
I'm sure there is. Why is it on? Oh, there's a room we didn't check out. Yeah, there's a room we didn't check out. See, there's so much other places we have not explored, but Johnny just keeps coming past it. It is him, actually.
I don't like it because I don't like the fucking...
Yeah, it's him.
I couldn't tell.
Fuck. It is him.
Yeah, that's
This fucking idiot.
I can't tell the fucking price.
That's what I thought, bitch.
Johnny,
Johnny!
pull over the car.
Dude, pull over the fucking car. You gotta see this.
House over there, it's amazing.
Hold up, let me show him a photo. Wait, let me show him photos. There's a fucking staircase. It's untouched in there.
You
It's
gotta
untouched.
You gotta pull over and go in there with us. It is fucking amazing.
Turn off
there.
these fucking front lights and go in there with us. Also, wait, give me one of those extra gum things. I want one. Give me one of them gum things. Hurry.
Johnny,
you gotta come in here.
It's fucking
Thanks.
cool. It has carpet. It's pretty much untouched.
You have to come.
It's a really good video if you want to go in there. Just pull over.
Dude,
let's go.
you know how famous you're gonna go over this fucking house? It's
I don't-
nice.
I don't know about famous, but
Well, decent
pull
views.
over. Let's go. Well, go. Come on. All right, let me get in.
Hey, turn off your lights. Hey, turn off them front lines so you don't want to get us caught in this. Not really. It was this hood, it's gonna fly the fuck open. Oh, she wait there, that's nice. Don't get us killed. Go slow, good boy. God, my head's hurting from this shit.
Well,
My GoPro. You wanna bring your camera or?
Yeah, bring the camera and then you can record for it.
why don't we come back later on? That way it's in the daytime.
It'll be good. Let's just go and show him. Let's just go show him.
We're gonna show you and introduce it to you for now,
Let me
but
disconnect it?
in a few days, when I'm gonna take the day off Tuesday, and we're gonna come down here with
There you
the
go.
thing.
There you go. That's good. It's
All right,
good.
ready? Let's go.
Johnny, look. Like this. There you go.
All right, let's go.
There you go.
Like,